Hello, and welcome back. For this video, we'll be going through how you can identify your overlapping solutions in a bit more depth, as well as understanding the coverage versus depth of the solutions. And where you might have coverage does not necessarily mean that you have a depth of coverage. So from the first set of training videos, we went through how you can identify where you've overlapping solutions or just an accumulation of products within your cyber defense matrix or within your portfolio. If you go to the right-hand side here, you can filter down by your vendors and products that you have within this stack. As you can see here, Protect seems fairly stacked in the data area and the application area. Previously, what we would have said to do is this is just a high level overview that you can then dive into here to see what list of solutions you have. So just here, we'll go into the protect for devices and it will filter down to what this actually looks like. And you'll see your list of solutions. What we can do then at a deeper level is if we go to the security capability matrix, you can then go into this is your overarching view of what your posture looks like from complete coverage from all your portfolio. You can dive into this is just the coverage, but you can dive into the relative, which is depth of coverage, showing that as you'll see the areas that you might have coverage before, but have actually it's not a depth of coverage, meaning you could do with a bit more feature utilization here. And as you'll see, it's color coded green to say you've high depth of coverage and low being red, meaning that you have something here, but it's not really going to be enough for what you're looking to protect against. You can also, and if we just go back out, you'll see that the coverage turns to green. So it's allowing you to say, yes, you have a sea of green to say you have coverage here, but do you have a depth of solutions or vendors to help you protect your organization? You can also go into the filter feature up here to go through the functions that we mentioned, such as protect, see what this looks like for your organization. And this will just filter based off of any solutions that have been identified in the NIST framework in protect to allow you to say, okay, well, this is the coverage you have based off all of those solutions. And then you can also filter to relative of depth to say, well, just how much coverage do I have or how much depth do I have? And you'll see that green turn to red saying you do have something here, but it's not enough for what adversaries will target you against. That is all for coverage versus depth. For the next one, what we'll do is go through filtering of features and functions to understand just how good your solution is. See you in the next one.